number 7. What are you doing sa mga bisiran? Pisogo on the board, number 1. Consoling Romani Gonzalez. Goal! Number 26, Mr. Layon. First personal foul committed by Mr. Layon. Pisogo. Consoling the ball, diving for Mr. Gonzalez. Pisogo matagi. Right pass to Ya. Right pass yun. Last chance, Mr. Hill. Exactly Ono 55. Getting the ball. Get up, right pass Gonzalez. Go again. Oops. Getting the ball for Mr. Pisogo. Galani Gonzalez. Pisogo matagi. Looking for his limit. Exactly. It's easy to the center. Catching down the board, big man. Side of it. 2 minutes on the line. Number 13. Mr. Yap. Layon. The magician. Challenge ready for Mr. Yap. Challenge for Tati. Pedro Senales. Gonzalez on the board. Yes. Passing down. Nice point for Mr. Gonzalez. Big poke on the board. Batting for Mr. Gonzalez. Big poke. Obi Gonzalez. Divers in number 24. Side lane. Last time the position. Final poke. Emerson de Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Pusok pa sa balaban. Layon. Lumipad.
Kaya ganit ka.
Suga pa sa
Laabo mo na.
May bakit na sumila. Number 24. Tagging on the board. Looking for Civic. Pito mo na naman. Looking for Civic. Canino. Wow! Sagi. William Sito for the second. No! Can do it. Layon, ang wine Kapuyon. Number 28, De La Serna. Right pass. Get in the ball, Layon. Layon again. Calling for Mr. Pisogo. Layon naman again. Warren Powell.
Ay, lupa.
Number 13, Mr. Yap. Second personal foul committed by Mr. Yap. Inbound for Mr. Layon on the board, number 26, from Apumayanki. Getting the ball, the big number 4. 5 seconds on that. Rainbow number, Layon. Left chance, Mr. number 4. Viva Max. Yellow. Nice substitution. Inbound for the big man, Casiban. Pisogo on the board, guarding for Gonzalez. Pisogo looking for Civic. Come on, take it in. Sumapit na lang, Pega. Malulungo. Bigat. Bola sa Bugayan. Layon. Batang way gasolina high. Kusok kinudagan. De La Serna. Gonzalez on the board. Tulang sa harap. Asaman. Rebound for the big man. Casiban. Number 16 of Hinadilan. Takin na naman sila Manjiriwan. Pressure on the ball. Wow! Layon on the ball! Gonzalez on the ball. Foul! Number 24. Second personal foul committed by Mr. Cadiero. Nice 1 point of Mr. Manluluyo. Perfect! Get them on the board. Number 21. Dahil pa sila na Mr. Yak. Looking for Simit. Looking mo. Pinitawan. Short. Bigyan. Gumamit ang katawan. Ako na lang. Nice points for Kazuba. Tayon. Ang kusong pa sa habal-habal. Tayon to Manluluyo the tower. Tayon number 26. Exactly. Dosis Chandra. Patay na. Grabe. Patay dito. Substitution. Foul. Candide. I'm sorry, Candide. Third personal foul committed by Mr. Candide. Bulusro. Yes. The second bonus round, Mr. Gonzalez. Pinitawan. Short. Rebound. Receiving. Mula exactly 5:16. Time remaining 5 minutos of PCC Bruno. Looking for City. Play down on the board. Rebound for Mr. Number 3. Kumpul tayo. Tayo. Lumipad. Nice 2 points for Mr. Talion. Deparin number 2. Hinasilan. Omataki. Gani for Manluluyo. Foul. Number 3. Substitution. Number 5 out. Bonus roll to Mr. Pinkman. For the second bonus roll of Mr. Gaziman. Pinitawan. Walking. Rebound for Mr. Tower Manluluyo. Big man. Talion na naman on the board. Tower. Talion. Getting the ball. Pinitawan. Short. Number 29. Paso Dimaling on the board. Dimaling na matagi. Ako lang. Exactly 4 minutos. Foul. Manluluyo, number 5. First personal foul committed by Mr. Manluluyo. Ito for Mr. Dimaling. Wala kami sa gilid. Black. Rapidly violation. Exactly 3 minutos. Talion on the board. Looking for his teammate. Talion. Number 28, Pinasicho. Getting the ball to Talion. Rainbow Gambling. Exactly 3:35. Dimaling. Side. Nice 2 points for Mr. Zaga. Talion on the board, looking for City. Paso Yellow. Sin. Looking for City. Talion on the board. Exactly, doesn't see the shot. Looking for City. 5 seconds shot. 4. On the ball for the big man, getting the ball. Pitubo, lumipan, yes! One point for Mr. Pitubo. Exactly 2:55. Sayon! Sayon! Jimalim! 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 Saka!